How to wash curtains for home. When people do the cleaning of their home, then they clean almost everything in their home, but most of the time they ignore the cleaning of their curtain. If you know the right ways to clean your home curtain, then you can easily do the cleaning and you can get the best result also with it. To help you more, I am sharing some suggestions that you can follow to clean your curtain at home. Remove the curtain carefully. In order to clean your curtain at home, first you will need to remove it from the pipe. When you do it, then make sure you do it carefully, else you might damage your curtain and you might hurt yourself as well. Check the condition of your curtain. If your curtain or its fabric is weak, then it is a good idea that you get new curtain instead of washing it. Remove rings from curtain. After you remove the curtain from pipe, you need to remove the rings from it. If you will wash your curtain in your home washing machine having rings in it, then it will damage your washing machine. Read suggestions. If you do not have custom-made curtain at your home, then you will get a tag that explains about cleaning instruction. Use right washing method. In order to have clean curtain at your home, it is extremely important that you use right method for washing it. If you have a big washing machine at your home that can take the load of your washing machine, then you can simply go ahead and you can use that to clean your curtain. Clean rings separately. In order to have properly cleaned curtain, you need to have clean rings as well. If you will not clean your curtain rings, then you will not get a better cleaning result with it and all of your efforts will go to vain. Clean walls, window and pipe. Before you hang your curtain back on the pipes, it is extremely important that you clean your walls, pipes and windows as well. I am asking you to clean these things because you get a lot of deposition of dust and dirt on these places, and if you will not clean it properly, then it will make your curtain dirty again. Hang it back carefully. In order to hang it back on pipe, first you need to add the rings in your curtain. This process might be complicated for few people, so when you do it, then prefer not to make any force in it.